Have you ever approved a sample and still kept thinking, will bulk production stay this consistent? Have you ever talked to a new supplier? They sounded very confident, but in the back of your mind, can they really do this? Order after order? And maybe this one, you are considering upgrading your supply chain, but still wondering, if I switch, will it really be better or just different? Hello, my name is Karen. I've been working in B2B workwear and functional garments for over 12 years. During this time, the projects I've supported have grown to more than 50 million US dollars. And in the past 3 years, 12 new professional B2B clients chose to work with me. Sometimes after a full years of detailed discussion before the first order, I still remember how meaningful the trust felt. Because in this industry, choosing a supplier is never just a transaction, it's a decision that carries risk. Some clients work with me to optimize their existing products, adjusting materials, improving durability, and finding more efficient cost structures. Some started completely new development. One client reached $2 million in the first year after we built a product step by step together. Recently, I worked with a long-term client develop part resisting chassis, a product they had never made before. From materials to testing to specification, we built it together, step by step. Honestly, I've learned as much from my clients as they learn from me. I truly value this moment. If you're wondering how this happens, I usually summarize it into 3 key values that guide how we work. First, workflow. From technical details to materials to compliance requirements, we make sure information is correct, clear, and structured. This comes from experience, not intuition. Second, standards. In technical projects, many risks actually start from small misunderstandings. Standards are one of them. Over the years, I worked closely with standards such as EN ISO 20471, EN 343, EN 342, EN 14058, NC 107, CSA J96. Not just reading them, but applying them in real product development. Sometimes, in the early stage of a project, we can already identify details that may not comply, and fixing those details early often makes the later stage much smoother. 3. Production flexibility. Many buyers are exploring different sourcing strategies with production bases in Southeast Asia. We help clients explore China and Bangladesh to balance cost and scalability. And when it comes to Bangladesh, I understand some buyers may still have concerns. So let me share one detail. This factory was built and managed by a Chinese team. That is us. Apart from the location and local workforce, the equipment, the technical setup, the quality control methods, and production experience all follow the same standards we apply in China. For many clients, the consistency makes the transaction much easier. This is also why I started this channel, because buyers usually see factories for only a few hours. So here, I share what I see across different parts of the manufacturing journey. Some videos walk through production details, some explain technical standards and testing logic, and some focus on product showcases and new development. Each playlist focuses on one part of the real work behind manufacturing. If you are exploring a new idea or planning your next project, you are always welcome to exchange thoughts. And if you'd like to understand how real production works behind the scenes, you may find something useful in this channel.